Now you're in a hotel and you have to check out. Check out, remember, to exit the hotel because you say, I stop staying in this hotel, so I have to check out.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So good morning, sir. Good morning. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. This is very cliche.
Good morning. Can I have my bill, please? I'm checking out.
Can I have my bill, please? Means, I need my bill because I have to pay it and I have to check out. I am checking out. I am leaving this hotel.
Which room is it?
Which room is it? What was your room?
Room 425.
Room 425.
Did you have anything from the minibar last night?
So did you have anything from the minibar? What is minibar? Minibar is a small fridge that they are available in the rooms, so you can take some beverages basically out of it and to drink it. So last night means, sometime in the past. Last night, previous night, not tonight, last night, yesterday.
Yes, a mineral water.
Yes, a mineral water.
Here you are. How would you like to pay?
So here you are. Here you go. How would you like to pay? Very good question. How would you like? By cash or by credit card? There are two options, cash or credit card. And she wants to make sure that how Mark Ryder is going to pay.
American Express.
So by credit card.
Thank you. Okay. Can you sign here, please?
Okay, all right. Can you sign here? Can you put your signature here on this paper, please?
Thank you. Would you like me to call a taxi for you?
So, would you like me to call a taxi for you? It means that you want me to call a taxi for you here in this hotel, or what is the plan?
No, thanks.
No, thanks.
Do you need any help with your luggage?
Again, do you need any help with your luggage? Luggage is basically big bag, right? Or briefcase, you can say. Or also you can say baggage.
No, I'm fine, thanks.
I am fine. That's okay. No need.
Have a good trip, Mr. Ryder.
Have a good trip means I hope you to have a good and safe trip or flight, let's say.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
So goodbye, goodbye.
Hello?
Hi, Mark, it's Ali. I'm really sorry, but the traffic this morning is terrible.
I'm really sorry. See, this underlining, emphasize like intensifier. Really is a kind of intensifier. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me because the traffic this morning is terrible. There's a traffic jam and I cannot be hasty and I cannot move. That's why I'm late.
I'm going to be very late.
I am going to be very late. Okay, which means that you have to accept it. I cannot go there very early because there's a traffic and I'm going to be late a bit.
Okay.
I think the best thing is for you to take a taxi to the station.
So Ali says, I think means, in my opinion, the best way, the best method for you is to take a taxi to the station, station. First take a taxi to the station and then
get the train to the airport.
And then get the train to the airport. So first taxi to the station and from station to the airport.
No problem. I'll call a taxi.
No problem. That's okay. I'll call a taxi. Okay?
Well, thanks for everything.
Well, thanks for everything means I am so thankful and grateful for your help in the UK. Thank you very much.
No, listen. I'll meet you at the airport.
No, listen. Wait. I'll meet you at the airport. I'll see you at the airport.
We can say goodbye there.
We can say goodbye there, which means that wait a minute. Hold your horses. Wait, calm down. We will say goodbye at the airport. Just wait until that time.
All right. Where can we meet?
All right, that's okay. That's cool. Where can we meet? Where? Where exactly we have to meet at the airport?
At the information desk?
At the information desk, there's a kind of intonation. Pay attention to the intonation. she's asking a question actually, like she wants to say, is it okay for you to meet at the information desk or not? She's suggesting the information desk for them to meet.
Okay. See you there.
Okay, that's okay. See you there. See you at the information desk.
Bye.
Excuse me. Change of plan. Could you?
Excuse me, pardon me. I'm sorry. Change of plan, which means that my plan changed and I have to reschedule it. I have to replan it.
And could you call me a taxi, please?
Could you call me a taxi, please? I need a taxi right now. Please call a taxi for me.
To the station.
To the station, which means that I will take the taxi to the station.
Hello. Sorry I can't take your call.
Hello, sorry, I can't take your call. Means hello, hi. I am so unhappy. I am so ashamed that I cannot receive your call. Take your call means receive your call right now. Or let's say I cannot answer your call.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Please leave a message means, give your message, leave your message to me. I will listen to that later. After the tone, what is tone? Like this is the tone, right? When you hear the tone, then give your message. Actually, leave your message.
Hi, Allie, this is Mark. Where are you?
So this is Mark, or Mark is talking. Where are you? Where exactly you are? What is your location? Where is your place? Why you are not here? I am at the airport, right? I'm waiting for you.
I'm at the information desk.
I am at the information desk. I'm waiting for you.
My flight leaves in 40 minutes.
My flight leaves in 40 minutes means I have only 40 minutes here at the airport. So please hurry up. And the plane is going to take off and the plane is going to leave and I cannot see you here again.
Mark. Sorry I'm late.
Mark, wait. Sorry I am late. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Don't worry, I'm just happy you got here.
Don't worry, I'm just happy you got here, which means that be relaxed. That is okay. I am so glad that you got here. You came here to see me here. Thank you very much.
Come on. You're going to miss your flight.
Come on, means hurry up. Don't waste any time. You are gonna miss your flight. You're going to, or you're gonna miss means if you cannot get into the plane, you're going to miss it, right? You're going to lose the airplane.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait. Hold on.
Are you going to come to the conference in California?
Are you going to come to the conference in California? Means, are you planning to come to the United States to see me or not?
Am I going to see you again?
Am I going to see you again? Which means that is it going to be possible for me to meet with you again? Can I see you again in the California?
The plane's going to leave without you.
The plane is going to leave without you, which means that you are getting late. Just go. And I cannot tell it to you, You're going to miss the plane. You're late, okay? Go ahead. What are you looking for? What are you waiting for?
Allie.
I asked my boss this morning and he said, yes, I can go.
I asked my boss this morning, which means that I asked for a permission from my boss, from my manager, let's say, when this morning, and he said, yes, I can go. I can go to the conference. Why not?
Great. I don't have your home phone number.
Great. I don't have your home phone number. That is awesome. That is a brilliant, wonderful news. I don't have your home phone number, which means that can I take your home phone number? Because I don't have it.
Don't worry, I'll email it to you tomorrow.
Don't worry. Just calm down, be relaxed. I'll email it. I'll email this telephone number and all of the information to you via email, okay? Don't worry about it.
This is the final call.
This is the final call. The last call, the last warning, the last announcement
For all passengers on flight BA287 to San Francisco.
So this is the final request, final announcement for all of the passengers who are traveling to San Francisco, which means that pay attention, listen carefully, and do the action.
Please proceed immediately to gate 12.
Please proceed immediately. Proceed means move. Please move immediately means as fast as possible. as fast as you can to gate 12. Please move to gate 12. Do not waste any time, any minute. Be hasty and hurry up.
Goodbye, Allie. And thanks for everything.
Goodbye, Ali, and thanks for everything. Means I am so thankful, grateful for your help because you helped me a lot here in London. Thank you very much. You're a very kind person.
Goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye, Mark. See you later, Mark.
Have a safe trip.
Have a safe trip, which means that I wish you a safe trip, a safe flight without any danger. Everything, I hope everything is going to be safe and okay for you. All right?
See you in California.
See you in California, which means that I am looking forward to seeing you, to meeting you in California. Until that time, take care of yourself.
Bye.
Alright, so this was the English speaking practice conversations for beginners, or I would say for A1 levels. I hope you enjoyed that. Until next level, live long and prosper. Take care. Imagine that you're in a restaurant and now you're ordering a meal. Let's see how you can order something to eat or drink.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Again, good evening, because it's evening. Okay, do you have a reservation, which means that did you book a table here before? Maybe yesterday or maybe